Can you really earn $5,000 plus using Google? Well, I found a video on YouTube that was stating exactly that. So I went and tested it to find out exactly whether you could actually earn $5,000 plus using Google. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash online, maybe you're looking to buy a new house, a new car, or even go on exotic holidays, this is the video that claims that you can actually earn that sort of money to do just that. So like I say, I went and tested it. Stay tuned right to the end of this video. So I'm going to show you exactly how it's done and whether it is possible to earn $5,000 plus using Google. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin Burt from martinburt.online, and I make videos about making money online so that you can make money online too. So if that's what you're looking to do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. So let me know, where in the world are you watching this video from? Drop your city, state, or even your country in the comments below. So let's jump straight into this one and find out exactly what you'd ought to do to go and copy and paste and earn $5,000 using Google. Okay, remember this can actually be done from anywhere in the world, and you can do it just by using your mobile or laptop. Now we're going to divide this into various steps and simple to follow along. So all you've got to do is obviously go from step by step, and you will find out exactly how we do this method. Okay, so the first step we need to do is come over to a site called Mangools. So that is Mangools, mangools.com. And if you don't know what mangools.com is all about, this website is going to help you with your SEO and get higher rankings in Google. And obviously, search engine optimization is very important because that's going to determine how many people actually see your website and how many people actually visit your website. Remember, don't worry, you do not need a website to actually do this method yourself. And of course, you don't need to be an expert in SEO to actually follow this system. And you don't even need any money to actually start this method at all, because you're going to be creating a free account. Okay, so come across mangools.com and actually go through the website so you can find out a little bit more about it. Once you've done step 1, we're going to go to step 2, and that is we're going to create a free account. So you can do that by clicking on the create free account button here and filling in your details, your email, your password, confirm your password, and tick that I am not a robot. And then you can create your Mangools account. As you can see, your subscription is Mangools free account. Okay, so that's the first 2 steps. So if you haven't completed any of these, go back and complete these steps. It's very, very simple to do. Step 3, he then tells you in his video to go and click on the affiliate tab here. Now this is your affiliate ID. So what he's now looking for you to do is actually promote this Mangools product out. So how would you go and earn over $5,000 and use Google just to do this? So let's just take you through the rest of the method and find out exactly how you can do this. So step 4, you need to then go back to your affiliate links and then grab this affiliate link here and literally just press on copy. And then what we're going to go and do, we're going to go over to a site called Bitly, which is absolutely free to sign up to. And what this is going to do, this is actually you're going to paste in your affiliate link right there. And then you're going to literally just click on a short Bitly link, which means that this link will be shortened down and make it look much more appealing to actually click. So this is going to help you get even more sales. Pricing plan, as you can see here, this plan here is the best value and its normal price is $69. Obviously at the moment you could start this very quickly and you could get in and save people actually on the Black Friday plans for 35% off. So that means you're going to get a percentage of this $69 every time someone actually signs up and uses the Mangools premium account. So he's basically saying if you can get 100 people to use this, then you would get a very big income of about $3,500 per month. And obviously if you've got 200, then obviously as you can see it would scale up. And remember, this is a monthly recurring income all the time they are using it for their business. This could be possible, but remember, stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to show you some of the downfalls that you've got with this as well before you actually go and start this. So what he's saying is obviously come across to the promo materials here and obviously then copy your affiliate ID. This is your affiliate ID here. You've got example links here, so you can actually copy either one of those. This will take you to different places. And what you've got to go and do, we've got to head over to Google. And then what he's saying is you want to search for businesses in a particular area that you can actually promote this to. So for argument's sake, if we look at, say, dentists in London, Now this could be any city, any town, anywhere in the world. As you can see, you've got some sponsored ads here, so we obviously don't want those. So we want to scroll down a bit further. We want to start looking at places not on the first page, really. So he's saying scroll down to about the third different place, and then you can actually contact these people. So if you go to Bishopsgate Dental, there's a sign here on most of these websites that says contact us. Now what he's saying is that you can actually contact them, and you could say that you found this great tool that you've used yourself, and you recommend to get higher up in the rankings. Now there's two things that are obviously wrong with this. The first thing is a lot of people are not going to take you seriously because you haven't got that know, like, and trust that people would buy from. So what I would recommend doing is actually, if you're going to go and do this in a particular niche, is actually set up an SEO website, something like that. Little blog, little website, one-page website, which will give you a bit of authority that you could actually send them back to, so then they could gain that know, like, and trust, and then they would possibly go and actually try out this Mangools software. Now, the other thing you've got to be careful of, it says here on the Mangools website, please keep in mind referrals coming from email spam, unsolicited emails will not be counted and may lead to termination of your affiliate account. So you've got to be very careful how you approach these companies. And like I say, make sure that you obviously do it in an ethical way and don't just spam them a link, because you could get your account actually terminated by doing this. So again, this is not a good idea. Okay, to sum up quickly, you are going to probably make money with this method, but whether you're going to actually make the $5,000 plus per month that he's stating, well, that's a really tall ask. Like I say, there are so many different factors you've got to factor into this. But if affiliate marketing is something that's caught your eye and you want to know more about that, then check out my free affiliate profit formula mini course. The link is in the description below here. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.